Hello, how are you? Today we want to inspire with rustic decor and we will show you 15 beautiful environments to inspire you. Before we pass on the ideas and tips, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel, if you are not already subscribed, and activate the Tinker bell to receive all our news that airs every day. It is not necessary to be in the countryside to be able to add a rustic touch to the decoration. This selection of environments proves that the bold style is able to bring coziness to any space, giving a vintage touch. I hope you liked the video. Leave your like and your comment and we will meet in the next video. A big hug. Bye.